Need prototypes with rapid turnaround, high-quality custom drilling, milling, and turning, tight tolerances, and excellent customer service?
No matter what you have, come to Froedge because we're here to make it work. We do a lot with the automotive industry. We make just parts for your tier 1 places. We do a lot of robotic parts. This is a gripper finger for a robot. Chuck jaws off of chuck jaw industry.
These are America's best contract manufacturers of custom parts and services. And for precision machining, you need to talk to Jimmy.
Hi, I'm Jimmy with Froedge Machine. We specialize in CNC machining and prototypes. Well, we're looking for anything from small runs to prototype pieces to large runs. My favorite, I like to see at least 10 parts or more. We have several CNC lathes. We have a 5-axis CNC lathe. We have 5 CNC mills, up to 4 axis on them. We'll quote it, send it out, make it. We do the heat treating in-house to harden it. If you don't have a CAD file, that's no problem. We do reverse engineering in-house. We take parts, we redesign them, and we make dies here, clovers. These are compressed. There's actually a punch goes in the top and bottom of each one, and these actually compress powder together to make a pellet. This is EDM too. We actually made one for a test run. They like it. They now order them anywhere from 22 at a time, or they'll order up to 60 at a time. Do you need robotics? We do a lot with robotics. Here is some stainless pieces. These are little vacuum heads. They're a 2-piece deal made together, precision pressed together. They got a vacuum inlet in it that comes back and it takes suction. And these actually go on a robot that picks up a little seal for a customer takes over and drops in the suction. So these are all precision made. Here's a plastic brace that we use. We make any from UHMW, nylon, Delrin, phenolic, all types of plastics. We machine some nickel. We have machined titanium. We do a lot in like the stainless and this 17-4 stainless, pre-hard. We do a lot of machining on tool steel, mainly in the D2 series, M2. No matter what you have, come to Froedge because we're here to make it work.
Visit partgurus.com to watch more videos of America's best contract suppliers.